Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, we have covered the addition chapter. So we learned how to add 4-digit numbers. And there was Hot's activity that to add two 4-digit numbers, you get a sum where some digits are missing. So how can we find the missing digits? So it needs a little bit of thinking that which digit can sit here, so that sum of this 1 and the digit here should be 9. So normally how we add, we start from the rightmost column, we start from the ones column. So we'll do that thing. So here the two numbers, this is the first number, this is the second number, and in the first number the thousands place digit is missing, and in the second number the hundreds place, tens place, ones place, all these three digits are missing. Only thousands place digit is given, that is 6. Okay, and the sum is given in full. The sum is 9519, mashallah. Okay, now how to find the missing digits? So dear students, let's try to add. We'll start from the ones column. So 1 plus this missing digit should be equal to 9. So what 1 plus what gives you 9, dear students? So we know that here a digits are what? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are the digits. So here should be some a single digit here, with which if you add 1 you should get 9. So we know that 1 plus 8 gives us 9, so you can write here 8. So alhamdulillah, one digit is found. Now go to the next column. So 2 plus what gives you 1? Okay, 1 is already smaller than 2, so that means 2 plus something, it will give you actually 11, and the 1 of the 11, that means 1's place 1 will be here, and 1 will be carried in this column. So 2 plus what? Which digit? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Which digit added with 2 gives you 11? So we know that 2 plus 9 is 11. So write 9 here. So 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 of the 11, one's place, that is here, and the 1 in the tens, that goes here. Actually here this is 2 tens plus 9 tens, that means 11 tens. So 11 tens means what? 110 and 100. So that's one, that 1 is 100 is going here, carried here. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Now the question is 6 plus which digit gives you 5? Again 5 is smaller. 6 plus, so 6 plus what will give you 15? So 6 plus 9, we know that gives you 15. So 15, 5 is here, 1 will be carried in here, carried here. So now you can add the 1 here, the carried 1. So 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So now 7 plus which digit gives you 9? So 7 plus 2, we know that 7 plus 2 is 9. So this is how you can solve the missing digits. So this we solved manually. Now inshallah we will solve it using computer also, inshallah. So how to solve it using computer? So dear students, we know expansion of number. Alhamdulillah, we learned the expanded form of numbers. So look at this number. The top number is 2521. Okay, now this 2 was not given, we found it. So when this was not given, think that I don't know what was in the thousands place. So since I don't know that, okay, let's write the solution 2 here in small. Now I don't know that this is 2, I don't know. So if I don't know, I can assume, okay, there will be some digit. So let's write a letter for that. For example, A. So A can be a digit, any digit, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. So now this number is a 4-digit number. I don't know the thousands place, but I know the other digits. So I know how to expand numbers. How to expand numbers? A numbers expanded form. How we get? We multiply each digit with its what? In which place it is. So for example, this digit, we don't know, we are calling it A, so the value of A will be multiplied by 1000 because it is in thousands place, and add that with what? 5 in hundreds place, so 500, add with 2 tens, 20, and 1 ones. So we know the expanded form, it will be what? A is our digit in the thousands place, so the place value of A will be what? 1000 times A. So we can write that like this: 1000 times A, plus, you know the expanded form, how it goes, the digit multiplied by its place's intrinsic value. So what is the intrinsic value of the hundreds place? 105 times 100, then 2 tens, that means 20. So let's write it short, 20, and then 1 ones. Okay, so what is this? This is in fact, if you calculate, 500 is 500 plus 20 plus 1, that means 521. So let's write it like this, 521. We will write it short. We can write it short like this, 521. Okay, so this is our first number, this number. Okay, this number we have written like this. Okay, so now similarly the second number we can expand like what? Already you know the thousands place digit, that is 6. So 6, the digit, multiply it by the place's intrinsic value, so thousands place, so 6 multiplied by 1000 plus. Okay, now dear students, we don't know these digits at the first. Okay, so you can just write, for example, here this missing digit you can place a letter, for example B, and this, for example, you can write C, and this we didn't know, let's write it here D. Just letter representing digits. We don't know the value now, but we will find inshallah. Okay, so if the 4-digit number is like this, 6 and then B C D, we don't know the values of B C D, but we will find it inshallah. So how to expand them? So expanded form of a number, how do you get? You multiply each digit by the intrinsic value of the place. So the first place, what, thousands place, 6 is in thousand place, 6 times 1000. Then the next digit, that is in hundreds place, that is what? B. Okay, B can be any digit, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Okay, we don't know that, we will find that inshallah. Okay, so whatever the digit B is, B multiply that by what? 100. And then you know that we add what? C, this C is in tens place, so multiply C by 10, multiply C by 10. Okay, this is multiplication. And then finally D is in ones place, so the digit D will be multiplied by 1. Okay, so this is the expanded form of this number, 6000. Then how many, then what? There are 100 B, B times 100, C times D, C times 10, and D times 1. So this is the expanded form of this number. Okay, so just think that, please don't get confused with the letters A, B, C, D. They are just representative of digits. So for example, we know that B is 9. So if you write if you replace B with 9, for example, what will you get? 9 times 100, 900. So just familiar with what you already know, how the expanded form of number. 6998 is what? 6000 plus this 9 is in 100, 900 plus this C also has 9, so 9 tens, 9 times 10, 90, and 8 what? D is 8, 8 times 1, 8. So expanded form, you know this. So why we are writing the letters? Because we don't know initially at the beginning what are the values of the missing digits. So that is why we are writing letters, symbols that can take any value. So when you don't know the certain value, you can use a letter symbol that can take any value. Okay, so now we have expanded the two numbers. So their sum is given here, 9519. So now we will just write this thing, the expanded form of the two numbers, their addition, their sum is 9519. So that we have written here. This is our this is our computational engine which performs the calculation. So here we have written what? It was 1000 times A, so there are 1000 A's, and 521 plus 521 plus we added 6000. 6 times 1000 is 6000. Then there are how many B's? 100 B's, so we have write 100 B, and there are 10 C's, 3 times 10 C's, and finally 1 D only, so we can simply write D. So the sum of all these things is equal to what? 9519. 9519. Okay, so now there are conditions. What are the symbols A, B, C, D? They can take any value, but here they have some restrictions because they are digits. So you know that the digits are what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, these are the digits. So the value of A should be between this range. That can be, so A will be in between what? 0 and 9, not more than 9. Okay, not 10 11. You know that a single digit, that is what? That is not more than 9. Okay, so we have put the restriction here. You know the symbol, this is what? You know that this is what? Less than symbol, and this is greater than symbol. So we used this symbol. So for example, something for example, you can write what? I can tell that 6 is greater than 3 and 6 is what? Smaller than 9. So 6 is in between 3 and 9. Okay, 6 is greater than 3, 6 is smaller than 9, 3 is smaller than 6, 6 is smaller than 9. So 6 is in between 3 and 9. We can write like this. So just we have written that here the digits that you chose as letters A, B, C, D, they must be in between 0 and 9 because the digits are between 0 and 9. And we solve that over the integers, that means whole numbers, because digits are not fractional. Digits are what? The whole numbers, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. And alhamdulillah, writing this thing, if you enter, the computer will solve for you and they put the result. A is equal to 2, B is 9, C is 9, and D is equal to 8. So here exactly what we solved. A is equal to 2. So here we already found that A is equal to what? It was 2, we found it. Then look at here, B is equal to 9. Alhamdulillah, B was what? 9, we solved it manually. And then C is equal to 9. Okay, so C here was what? 9, we solved it. And they found D to be 8, and alhamdulillah our D here is what? We found that it is 8. So this is how, dear students, you can solve missing digits of addition, sums, manually. So by thinking that what can be the possible digits, so with thinking you can inshallah solve. So which digit should be placed here, so that sum of digits will be this. So by thinking inshallah you can solve the other hot questions also, and if you are stuck, if you cannot find a missing digit after trying, so you can give that task to your computer to do this, and when computer finds the solution, so you can check if that is correct or not. So dear students, hopefully this was helpful. If you didn't understand anything of this video, you can inform me. You can send me a message in my WhatsApp, or you can inform me at GCR. So jazakumullahu khairan. Subhanallah bihamdihi, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.